10 Makita tools you probably never seen before. Makita DCM501Z Cordless Coffee Maker. The Makita DCM501Z Lithium-Ion Cordless Coffee Maker is the perfect solution for coffee lovers on the go. Brew up to 3 5-ounce cups of coffee on a single charge using your favorite ground coffee or single-serve packs. With a compact design and no need for paper filters, it's ideal for job sites, camping trips, or anywhere without access to traditional coffee makers. The brewer features a permanent drip filter, removable water tank, and compatibility with both Makita 18V LXT and 12V Max CXT batteries for ultimate convenience. Whether you're starting your workday or enjoying outdoor adventures, this cordless coffee maker ensures you never have to sacrifice your coffee fix. Makita DMP180ZX Cordless Inflator. The Makita DMP180ZX Cordless Inflator is a versatile tool for topping off tires, inflating sports balls, and more with speed and ease. Powered by Makita's renowned 18V LXT battery system, this inflator delivers up to 120 psi capability for efficient tire inflation. Its auto-stop function prevents overfilling, while the high-visibility pressure gauge display ensures accurate inflation. Compact and lightweight, with an ergonomic handle for comfortable use, it's perfect for workshops, garages, or on-the-go applications. The built-in LED light illuminates the work area, enhancing visibility in dimly lit environments. Maintaining vehicle tires or inflating sports equipment, this cordless inflator offers convenience, reliability, and performance. Makita XLC02ZB Cordless Vacuum. The Makita XLC02ZB Cordless Vacuum is a compact and powerful cleaning solution for workshops, garages, and homes. With up to 33 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, this vacuum tackles dirt and debris with ease. The redesigned floor nozzle enhances maneuverability and debris collection, while the bagless 2-stage cloth filtration system ensures easy cleaning and quick debris disposal. Weighing only 3.6 pounds, it's lightweight and ergonomic, reducing operator fatigue during extended use. The vacuum features overload, over-discharge, and overheat protection for enhanced safety and durability. Compatible with Makita 18V LXT and LXT compact lithium-ion batteries, this vacuum offers versatile cleaning performance wherever you need it. Makita XDS01Z Cordless Cutout Saw. The Makita XDS01Z Cordless Cutout Saw is designed for efficient cutting in installed board applications. With a variable speed motor delivering 0 to 6,000 strokes per minute, it offers fast and precise cutting performance. The adjustable blade depth up to 1 3/16 inches allows for versatile cutting depths, while the short 1/4 stroke length helps prevent damage to objects behind the board. Boasting a clear dust box for dust containment and increased visibility, this cutout saw ensures operator convenience and efficiency. Compact and lightweight, with ergonomic design features, it's perfect for drywall, wood, and other board materials. Whether you're installing electrical outlets or cutting openings, this cordless cutout saw delivers reliability and performance on the job. Makita XMU04ZX Cordless Grass Shear. The Makita XMU04ZX Cordless Grass Shear with hedge trimmer blade is a versatile tool for maintaining lawns and landscaping. With up to 3 hours of runtime on a single charge, it offers extended use for efficient grass cutting. The Makita-built motor delivers up to 2,500 SPM for fast and precise cutting performance. Featuring a 2-in-1 quick blade change from grass shear to hedge trimmer, it offers versatility for various cutting tasks. The grass shear includes a 3-stage cutting height adjustment for customized results, while the June 5th 16-inch shear blade with dual cutting action ensures maximum efficiency. Lightweight and compact, with an ergonomic design, this cordless grass shear provides comfort and control for prolonged use. Ideal for homeowners and landscaping professionals, it's a must-have tool for maintaining pristine outdoor spaces. Makita XPG01Z Lithium-Ion Grease Gun. The Makita XPG01Z Lithium-Ion Grease Gun offers powerful performance and innovative features for efficient lubrication tasks. With a maximum pressure of 10,000 psi and 2 speed modes, low and auto speed, it provides precise control and adaptable operation. The auto speed mode adjusts the flow rate automatically, matching the resistance of the part being greased, while the variable speed trigger allows further adjustment. Equipped with a 47¼ flexible hose and built-in twin LED lights, it ensures easy access to fittings and improved visibility in low light conditions. Compact and ergonomic, with a lock-on button for extended use, This cordless grease gun is a versatile solution for workshops and garages. Compatible with Makita's 18V LXT battery system, it offers convenience and reliability for professional and DIY applications. Makita XMT03Z Cordless Multi-Tool. The Makita XMT03Z Cordless Multi-Tool delivers unmatched versatility and power for a variety of applications. With a variable speed control dial ranging from 6,000 to 20,000 OPM, it allows users to match the speed to the task at hand. The 3.2 degrees oscillation angle ensures faster and more aggressive cutting and sanding, while the large on-off slide switch with a lock-on button provides operator convenience during prolonged use. This multi-tool comes with adapters to fit most competitive accessories, ensuring compatibility and flexibility. Compact and lightweight, with a small diameter barrel grip, it offers easy handling and maneuverability in tight spaces. For cutting, sanding, or scraping tasks, this cordless multi-tool delivers performance comparable to corded models, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Makita XRH08Z Cordless Rotary Hammer. The Makita XRH08Z brushless cordless rotary hammer combines high power with low vibration for efficient concrete drilling. Powered by two 18V LXT batteries, sold separately, and featuring a brushless motor, it delivers up to 140.5-inch by 2 3/8-inch holes per charge. The BL brushless motor provides 0 to 980 RPM and 0 to 5,000 BPM, along with 2.3 feet-pounds of impact energy, tackling the most demanding applications with ease. Equipped with anti-vibration technology, AVT, vibration-absorbing handles, and an electric brake, it ensures reduced vibration and increased comfort during operation. The variable speed dial and trigger enable precise speed adjustment, while the built-in LED light illuminates the work area for enhanced visibility.
Makita XSB01 Set Detail Belt Sander.
The Makita XSB01Z Detail Belt Sander offers corded performance with cordless convenience. With a compact design and a sanding arm that pivots up to 160 degrees, it provides improved access to tight spaces and easier storage. The built-in LED light adjusts to match the angle of the sanding arm or the shape of the workspace, ensuring optimal visibility during operation. Featuring variable speed control dial ranging from 1,960 to 5,600 feet per minute, it allows users to match the speed to the application for precise results. Equipped with a large 21-inch belt, it delivers a maximum sanding length of April 5th 16, enabling faster work. Whether you're working on wood or steel, this detail belt sander offers versatility, efficiency, and comfort for a range of applications, making it an indispensable tool for woodworking, metalworking, and more. Makita UC4051A Electric Chainsaw. The Makita UC4051, a 16-inch electric chainsaw, combines heavy-duty performance with user-friendly features for fast and efficient cutting tasks. Engineered for convenience and comfort, it features tool-less blade and chain adjustments for easy operation and maintenance. The rubberized grip handles provide ergonomic comfort during prolonged use, while the large trigger switch with soft start ensures smooth startups. Equipped with a built-in current limiter and electric chain brake, it enhances safety and protects the motor from burnout and overload. The large oil reservoir with a view window allows operators to easily check the bar oil level, ensuring continuous operation without interruption. With a chain speed of 2,900 FPM and a 16-inch bar, this electric chainsaw delivers performance comparable to gas-powered models without the hassle of fuel mixing and emissions, making it an ideal choice for professional contractors, landscapers, and homeowners alike.